Hello everyone, it's me JB from Innate Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best 2-in-1 mini tripod and selfie stick for vlogging under $10 or rupees 800. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see here is the gadgets which I'm gonna show you today. So we'll find out if it's really a very good mini tripod and a selfie stick for vlogging, which will be costing under $10 or rupees 800. So let's find out what we get firstly inside the box. So these are the things you will gonna get when you purchase this tripod from the Polam Photo. So I'll be leaving this product purchase link in the video description also, so you can click there and you can buy this product after you seeing this video review. So you can see here, this one is for the mounting for the action cameras. If you have a action camera like GoPro or any other like Insta360 or DJI Osmo or whatever you mean, you can mount it here for the action cameras. And here you can mount the screw just above on the tripod. And this one is for the mobile holder, as long like a cold shoe mount. As you can see here, you can just mount here your external microphone or your external mini LED lights also. And here you can see here the option to tie the screw, and even you can see here a screw holding is also available here, and even you can pull it out here. Maximum you can pull it out this much. So we'll just keep it aside firstly, and now you can see here how small it is. As you can see here, my hand is small, so it's just almost my palm of my one hand. So let me compare it with the mobile devices also. You can see here how small it is. You can even carry it in your pocket also, since it's very tiny. But don't think it's very lightweight, just made of plastic. It's completely made of heavy metal. So you can see here, you can just drag it. So this much is the maximum length. You can just pull it up, and you can even untie the screw, and there is a ball mount. You can just move it just like this, depending upon which angle you want to set it, and you can just tie the screw. And at the bottom you will see here 3 legs, and at the center you will get one metal rod which will place it in the proper manner. So you can see here, you can use it as a tripod also, as well as you can use it as a selfie stick also, just you can see here. So it's very compact, and the rod you are seeing here, this one is completely made of good metal, as you can see here. And even this one, the head mount, is also made of metal, you can see. And even the mounting portion is also made of very good quality plastic. So this one is made of good quality plastic. Even this one, the tight screw, is also made of plastic, and the above one is also made of good metal. And even you can see here, this one is a rubber padded. So comparing its price, it's offering almost like a premium tripod features. And let me show you by mounting everything how you can use it as a mini tripod or a selfie stick. So let me mount my smartphone as well as the accessories, and how it looks I'm gonna show you right now. So firstly, just mount this one depending upon which angle you want. So even you can mount it this way also, but I will just use it for the mobile vlogging right now. So I'm just gonna mount it, just insert it like this, just tie the screw to tight it properly. So once it becomes tight, so now let us mount our mobile devices here. So as you can see here, I have mounted, and now let us mount some external accessories also. So let me mount here external microphone. You can mount your external mini LED light or whatever you want to mount here. So you can see here there is a cold shoe mount available here, so you can just insert it. So let me just insert this to give you an example. Just like this, as you can see here. And now you can just adjust your angle. There you can tie the screw. You can use it as a selfie stick also, as you can see here, completely. You can see here, and even you can make it a shorter way to record video or everything here. So you can see here, it's now being completely set up. So now you can use it either for selfie stick or as a vlogging stick also, or you can just use it as a tripod, or you can just simply use it as a tripod also, just like this. You can use it as a tripod also. So in my opinion, I think it's one of the best 2-in-1 mini tripod and selfie stick for vlogging under $10 or rupees 800 that you should definitely check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.